Good morning and welcome to another Budapest travel vlog. Last day ko na dito ngayon sa Budapest. And I'm going to the Hungarian Parliament. Guided tour siya sa loob. So it will take around 1 hour. Alas 10 pa yung mismong 10 o'clock pa yung tour, pero punta na din ako ng medyo mas maaga. Yung oras na ba? Mag-alas 9 na. 20 minutes yung biyahe. Hindi naman 20 minutes. Ito mga 15 minutes lang. So, let's go and explore Budapest for one last day. Dito na ako sa loob ng visitor center ng Hungarian Parliament building. So 10 o'clock yung aming tour and I already have my ticket printed. Na-print ko kagabi. And anong oras na? 9:50. So mga 10 minutes pa hintayin lang kami dito. Kasi kanina may nauna na palang 9:30. Bakit hindi yun ako kinuha? Hindi ko nakita yun. Anyways. So let's just wait pagka nagpapila na sila. Valid ticket prices all different kapag depende sa kung sino yung visitor. So kapag EU president ka, mas mura. Pero kapag non-EU, pinakamahal, 6,400 forints. So, yun. Nabili ko na siya online. Pero kapag wala kang nabili, so pwede kang bumili doon sa may pilahan, sa may ticket booth. But it may take some time kapag mahaba yung pila. And kailangan mo talaga ng printed one.
Why we have two of them. Hungary used to have a bicameral parliamentary system mainly until the Second World War. Therefore they actually worked separately. So upper chamber got this room which we are gonna visit at the beginning of the 20th century, and they work there. Today it houses as many congresses and conferences, so this is mainly like a room for any events. Legislation as well work until today in this building. They use mainly the southern wing.
So, we have started the tour. Ayan, 130 steps daw to. So, kailangan. Entering the parliament, the house. So, at the end of the tour, dito naman tayo sa isang parang open exhibition na still all about the Hungarian Parliament building. So, let's go around. So there's another museum dito sa pagkalapas mo ng mismong parliament visit mo. Doon sa may entrance. This is I think 1,000 years of Hungarian Parliament history. So nag-start siya doon sa 1600. So let's start isa-isa natin. So around 1222. Ayan, ito yung pinakauna eh. These are their seals ng mga king. 1500 years. So, yan. 1700. Ito 1800. Medyo bago-bago na yung itsura nila. Oh. Ayan. 1849. Pasok na tayo sa 1900. So, ayan na siya. And then, 1990s na. 1900s na. Ayan. So, I think these 1900s are already the occupation of the Nazi and the Soviet Union. Ayan. Sample yan ng mga guards noong or soldiers noong ayan yung binisit natin kanina sa loob, plenary hall. So that concludes our visit sa Hungarian Parliament building, and it was nice sa loob. But for me, I think the entrance fee is a little bit expensive. Medyo mahal. This is ang oily ko na naman. Ayan. So ito na yung labas ulit. Nasa labas na ulit ako. So kapag ka non-EU citizen ka, medyo mahal talaga. 6,400 forints. So that's almost around, I think, 7 BD. Yeah. So, for a 45 minutes tour sa loob. But it was okay. So, let's go. It's almost lunchtime, so I'll just finish the vlog here and then let's proceed to another location.